Mary and Her Red Shoes by Cecilia Elchiante. It was almost Mary's birthday. Mommy wanted to surprise her with a new pair of shoes. So one sunny morning they went shopping together. They walked from shop to shop, looking at many shoes, sparkly ones, shiny ones, even ones with bows. But none of them felt right for Mary's special day. Just when they were about to give up, they saw a small shop at the very end of the street. It was filled with colorful clothes and tiny shoes for children. Mary's eyes lit up. There on a little wooden shelf was a beautiful pair of velvet red shoes. They were soft, shiny, and just the right kind of special. Mary gently picked them up and smiled. Mommy noticed. "Do you like them?" she asked. Mary nodded. "Yes, I love them." The shopkeeper smiled and helped Mary try them on. They were a perfect fit. Mommy bought the shoes and they walked home hand in hand. Mary skipped happily beside her, imagining how pretty she would look in her new red shoes on her birthday. It was the perfect gift for a very special day. The end. Please like and subscribe our channel, and please don't forget to share it to your friends.